Entertaining. Eddie, what's on your mind as we await this one?
This is the game you mark on your calendar with a big red circle with a thick, fat marker. The fans are pumped and the players are ready to rock. Let's get it on.
Another terrific night of hockey here. We have just begun. With Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, I'm Mike Emery. Shoots. That shot came from nowhere.
With this puck being so close to net, this is a
brilliant acrobatic save. All is halted for now. Time for Ray.
The Chopings had a very aggressive start to this game. They're a fast-skating, physical team, and it's pretty clear they're trying to set the tone of this game in the early moments.
Thanks very much, Ray. Hammer. Great stick save. Just wide of the post.
this is prime real estate right in front of the goal with the puck. You got to find a way to hit the net. You can't miss that wide.
Pass up that right wing, and he's got it. Got it in his own end. Could this be icing? And it will be, based on the defense arriving first.
Gustafson's going to be able to make that save all day. His positioning is perfect. It's not a difficult scoring chance.
A little over 3 minutes played here in the first. Both teams are still looking for their first strike. Good clean win on the draw. Shot grabbed.
What a glove save. He showed him the glove and he took it away.
Linköping's continuing along the Hercules. Shoots one. Good quick poke check there. Mora's in their own end and controlling the play. Up the wing, making some headway. Slides it to the point. Shoots, save.
Oh, the goalie was screened on that shot. You got to rely on your positioning to make that save.
Gets in, and he'll look over his options. Lets the shot fly. Got it all.
Oh, the hands are quicker than the glove. Great save.
Nice face-off work. Mora's moving it up the wing. Gets in, looks over his options here. And so now a penalty will be handed out. Linköping's only going to get 2 minutes on this call, but it was tripping.
This is an easy call for the official, Doc. The player made no attempt to play the puck and just tripped up the attacking player.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number one. Good clean win.
2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty.
Lets it go, and a save. This one comes into the possession of the guy who's supposed to stop all these. He's in on an onside play. Shot on. Score! Off the iron and in.
On a man advantage, you can't try to be too cute. Once the lane opens up, you must attack, and that's exactly what happened there.
Man, that's got to be frustrating from the goaltender's perspective. You're in the right spot. You think you have the net covered, but there's just an inch or two that you don't have, and it's off the post and in.
Over 9 minutes have been skated so far. It's a 1-0 game.
Goal scored on the power play by number 8.
Moved along and
Number
in.
91.
Loose puck, the defense was in the way.
By number 35. Christian.
A shot, outstanding point-blank save.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Linköping's been assessed a minor penalty. 2 minutes, and the call is tripping.
Oh, this is clearly a tripping call. He made no attempt to play the puck and took the legs out from the attacking player.
Anything you do once, you can do twice. Let's see if that applies to this particular power play. Clean win on the draw.
First routine. Time of the penalty, 10 minutes.
Lin Xiaoping's controlling the play at center ice. Oh, and the pass just didn't work. Gets in. What'll he do? He takes that point pass. Oh, deflected away. Lin Xiaoping's in their own end, hoping to make a play to center. Picked up. Blocked. Mora's getting an attack ready in their own end. Drilled. Paddled aside. Lin Xiaoping survived it. Back even.
Well, you can't expect to score every time on the power play, but you would like to generate a few.
Great glove save, and he keeps it.
Oh, he thought he had him on the glove side.
Gustafson's save is a good one, but defensively, they cannot give up another odd man rush.
Solid, clean win. Mora's in their own end, hopefully shifting from defense to offense here. Good play with the stick. Right out of the textbook. Lin Xiaoping's got a high-sticking minor penalty.
An easy call for the official with the player's hands up and that stick coming up above the shoulders.
Anything you do once, you can do twice. Let's see if that applies to this particular power play. Good face-off win.
Mathis Oldham, 2 minutes for high sticky. Time of the penalty, 13 minutes, 50
On a free puck now. Mora's controlling play now up the wing. Around through the corner. Feeds the point. Pass to the shooting position. Wonderful save. What skill by both goalie and shooter.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Offside is called. Somebody got over anxious there.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
They win the draw and will now set up an attack. Shoots it on. You could almost count that one, but no. And now it's directed to Carlson. Mora's outstanding glove save. Terrific determination by Ellerby. Mora's leaving the defensive zone. Gains the zone. Fantastic shutdown. Puck grab, they're ready to go. Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
Billings has a minor penalty here, and the call is tripping.
I'm going to give credit to the puck carrier here. He kept his legs moving. He forced the back checker to reach in and take him off his feet.
A power play that can generate goals is special, and this one has been. Let's see if it continues. Good face-off win. A shot. That's a good pad save. Jostled off the puck. Terrific shot, but a great point-blank save. Oh, what a save. And that whistle will give them relief for the moment.
Lin Xiaoping's fans sitting behind their net got up and showed their respect by bowing to him after that huge save.
Good job on the draw. Nearing the final minute. Gains the blue line. He gets that pass ahead in stride. Cut his glove on it. Mora's skating in their own end, trying to get to the neutral zone. Lets it go. Great point-blank save. Another save.
You get an odd man rush, you better finish it off. You don't get many of them. The goalie was better than them there.
Quick work on the faceoff. Fires, sticked away. Shoots, didn't miss by much.
From that position on the ice, he's got to hit the net. Make the goalie make a save.
Linköping's penalty has come to an end. Their PK has been strong.
I think they've done a terrific job killing penalties. They've had to dig themselves out of holes seemingly all night long. It's really quite miraculous they haven't given up more than they have already.
First period is over. The players will get a rest. The vendors and the organist will not. It's a 1-0 game.
If you'd like to rub shoulders with some of our players, don't forget to go to our website and check out our next.
Mora's 1-goal lead came on this play. We want to show it to you one more time as we go to break. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What impressed you most?
Linköping's lucky to still be in this game after the first period. They had turnover after turnover. I'm sure the coaches addressed that problem in the intermission.
We have begun the second period. Terrific interception. Looking to headman up the wing. Linköping setting things up in the defensive zone. A shot. Oh, what a stop.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
Mora's carrying it in their own zone. And he continues out of his own end. Gustafson's able to keep this play moving. Right on his stick from the left wing. Couldn't get through there. With a shot. Great glove save.
That slight hesitation by the shooter allowed the goaltender to make a beautiful glove save.
A little under 4 minutes have elapsed here in the second. Only one goal hanging on the board so far. So it's 1-0. Two sticks together, it goes to the offense. Looks from the corner. Good use of the stick, broke that pass up. Moves to the corner. Shot, wonderful stop.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
Mora's carrying on up the wing. With a blast, save. That one comes back. Goalie's allowed to handle this puck, and he does. Mora's got it and moving up the wing. A great wrist shot. Just missed high.
When you're in that area, you got to hit the net.
That puck comes to the biggest stick blade on the ice, and it's handled. Great shooting position. Deflected. Pad block. Nice save. Tough to follow. At the point with it. Skates out with it. That play is offside, and so back to center ice for the faceoff.
That puck changes direction. It becomes a really difficult stop for the goaltender to make.
And they've won the neutral zone faceoff. Has it in his own end. Gains the zone and looks over his options. Terrific point-blank save.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area.
He's got it on his stick perfect off that left wing.
Puck is seized by Roy. And he picks it up. Mora's in possession as they travel through center. Has a chance to make a play through the corner. That's great defense.
Takes that right wing pass perfectly.
Into the end of attack. Corral. And possession has changed. Brilliant move on that pass. Scooped up by Larson. Laid on to Carlson. And they are in. Off a body. Mora's finding its way to center ice. Nicely into the zone. Turned a shot on net. Directing that one to Carlson. Lets it go. Oh, what a save. He brought his best shot, and it got stopped.
Goalie's looking around the screen to try to find the puck.
Didn't drag it very well there. Loose puck. Lugged along the line. Good work with the stick. We've played 2 periods here of a 3-period game. The best part of the day is coming up.
With hot food and ice-cold beverages, now's your chance to join us at one of our many concession stands located throughout the stadium.
Mora's netminder has fashioned a goose egg on the opposition side of the scoreboard. At the end of this period, we are still thinking about the last huge save, which was this one, right back after this. Third period about to begin. What did you think of the second?
Linköping's down after the first 40 minutes of play. Couple of positives. One, they're only down by a goal. Second, time of possession has been in their favor, but at some point they have to convert some of those chances.
Carries it to the corner. Back on his stick. Lets it go. Loose puck. Terrific glove save, but it's loose. Oh, it's very important if he can get that out. Mora setting things up in their own end. With possession along the boards. Good hand to eye. And the reach of the stick. Larson's got it in the defensive zone, headed to center. Makes that play deep.
Got that one ahead at center ice.
Mora's up the wing, controlling play now. And they've got it again. And glides on through center ice. Good job with the stick. On through the corner. A good stick there, so no complete pass. Great take, dangerous area. Keeps it going up the wing. That one is pointed to him. Goes back deep for it. Mora setting things up in the defensive zone. Mashed in. That one goes back in where a goaltender can make this play, not a defenseman or forward. gains the zone. That rush is broken.
This game is going to wind down and be close right to the final horn. Each team has tried to enforce their style of play on the other. It's just not happening. I don't think the shooter got much on this, but the goaltender makes an excellent stick stop on a relatively easy shot.
Over 9 minutes to go in the period. It's a 1-0 game. And they take that neutral zone face-off. And that play is offside. It's a face-off win. May not seem important in that territory, but they have possession. Lets it go. He's got it.
He chipped that one off the boards and ahead.
Hey, safety never sleeps, boys.
They score! And they've tied the game up.
Roy's stick was ready to one-time this puck. It was a perfectly placed pass.
The goaltender's disappointed here. He gave everything he had on that, just not able to get across to stop him.
Linköping's tied the game here in the third period. Every shift will mean a lot now. And they've won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you. Can't get a shot on it. That's a free puck thanks to the play by Roy.
12 minutes, 36 seconds.
Fires a shot. Wide. Wonderful chance.
You keep going to that area, you're going to get lots of those chances. Unfortunately, he missed the net.
That shot came from nowhere.
The goalie makes himself look big.
Defensive zone win. Mora's carrying through along the boards. Flop back in, and it's time for another line change. He can start some danger here. Puck loose, just a speed bump off the defense. Puck loose, now picked up. Mora's in control through the neutral zone. To the point it comes. A ripper from the point. Oh, and it's off the mark. Onside. Good play. Oh, he got that. Loose puck, couldn't drag it through.
1 minute left.
Who's got the next goal? We're nearing the end. We are in the last minute of play. Big chance. Pulp checked away. Breakaway. Shoots. He missed the net.
That's the type of opportunity you want late in the game, tied.
Linköping's controlling play now through neutral ice. Snaps one in there. Save. Picks it up back there. He banked it right ahead.
Sometimes the best play is right in front of the net. He took a quick look, read the seam, and then bounced it off the boards to his partner so they can get out of the zone much more safely.
This contest will need extra time.
Fans, now is the time to pick up your team calendars. You can pick them up at kiosk 140.
Roy's goal was the last tying goal possible in this game, because we're going to end it in overtime sometime in a moment. We have begun sudden death overtime. Nobody scores, somebody will in a shootout. Fires! Outstanding save. Difficult opportunity.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Pass to the net. Oh, here's a wrister. Missed the net.
You're right, Doc. That one-timer was really close. However, the puck was just a bit behind him. It's a difficult shot, and he missed wide.
It's an onside play. Mora's got it in their own end, hoping for center. Shoots one. Scooped up by Ellerby. And he continues with it in the defensive zone. Mora's on the move, hoping to wheel it up the wing. Good solid defensive play there. Puck grab, they've got it ready. Up to the point. Shoots, gloved.
Now that's a quick glove.
And they've won that draw. Fires! A shot that went way off the mark.
Boy, this puck had a lot of steam on it, but unfortunately he turned his hands over, and that's what caused the puck to miss the net badly.
Final minute of play in overtime. A terrific performance. In all alone.
Minute left in the overtime period.
Looks ahead to start something. Gets across, looks over his options. Propelled to Billins. Has it back deep. Perfect pass, tape to tape. He's got it at center ice from right wing. Shoots. Great. A wonderful save at the goal crease. Loose puck knocked away by Roy. Into the attacking end. The pass is off the mark. What a chance that would have been. Mora's got it in their own end. Big drive. Perfect save.
Gustafson's butterfly positioning is perfect here. He's going to make that save all day.
Centermen practice this so many times at the end of their game day workouts. And here comes the biggest one, perhaps, of the whole season.
Looking for the latest news, scores, and statistics? Check out our...
Gustafson's enormous save has kept his team in it. We have ended the period, and he gets a rest. And so do we as we head to break. All this hockey played tonight, and we can't decide a thing. So now, the shootout. Here is our very first shooter.
Number 39.
An outstanding save. Bottom half of the first inning, and here's who's up. He got his glove on that one. It is tied after one.
Number 86.
So, he saved the goal, and he saved his team. No, he has failed. Okay, so what's coming here? A goal or just another save? Score! A save, and it's over.
Number 23.
Fires, save! He makes the save. His team wins the game. Well, this one was rock'em sock'em all the way. We went 60, we went overtime, we had to go to a shootout. Somebody's got to lose it.
No worse feeling than losing a game like this in a shootout.
A fun game for us. We hope it was for you. That's our show. More games to come. If they match this one, they will be special. So long for now.